Isana dara di halay hagonara. Mudhalay hagonara sunhagera hulay hagonara. Amen. Amen, amen. I say to you, I am the Tetragrammaton, heavenly speaking, you call Jesus Christ the Messiah. Mary Kodesh. Marima, Myram, all names that have been created for everyone to carry me. I would say humans to be chosen, elect, to be given life of eternal, but through the past, through the test. So, what is Revelation 9:9 meant? They had breastplates, as it were breastplates of iron, and the sound of their wings was as the sound of chariots of many horses running to battle. Chariots, whatever you call it. In heaven, I said, Santuirut Kari. Santuirut Kari. It means of the hate, the spirit's hate. What is it that spirit hates? That you're flying around. Drones. That is what Revelation 9:9 means. They had breastplates, as it were breastplates of iron, and the sound of it are, you see the drones, there is wings in it. It is alienated, women, alienated. It is from aliens, UFO. It is you, worldly, who loves it. You know? Because like I told you, the world is Pleiadians, humans, aliens, Martia, you know, four corners of the world. And that is what you call the alienated. You know, alienated. Why humans? Because you are abhor. You're the one of those times who kills the true prophets of God's. You know? And in this end, you become that. You wanna be that, whatever you call yourselves to. You preaches the word of God as if you don't give us peace every day. And then you judge others by your worldly standards. You know? Humans. We had Chapnell receive the body for the world too. For him to, when I said that be careful of the one that can destroy both body and spirit. It is Chapnell, not I, what you call Jesus Christ. You know? For we wanted to rest. We wanted a Sabbath. A good Sabbath for the people of God. You know, for the people of God. I would say that. Because every day we don't get to rest in what you do. We don't get to rest. Every day you preach the word of God. Every day you vain our names by preaching, speaking God. Gee. Every day think about what you do. Oh, thanks God for the... You must see it, deep it in your heart. Don't utter the word which you become blasphemous. G. Every day you have no idea who is your G. You know? Your humanly standards, you judge others. You think you are the king. Chapnell to judge those around you because that is his job. And my papa. You know? While I and my mother is soul and the spirit. She is in the spirit. I am in the souls. You know? The mother, the daughter, the son, the father. The father, the son. You know? Even to that, there's a meaning to that, humans. Because in the beginning, we were the tribes that you have destroyed. Same thing happened in the time of our Mohicana and Mohicano. You know? Every being around you, humans, there's a purpose in them why they are there. They are doing what they can do. That was the time when I become the god of the Aztecs, the deity of the Aztecs, the father, you know. And then after the father, I become Pra, and then till become Pra, I become May, and to this end I am. Until he come, him. You know, we see, because he's already here. He's already here, humans. He's already here. And it is his sign of being Juna, quiet inside of the earth. While you keep preaching and preaching and preaching and preaching. That's for him to make sure that I don't have to get blamed by any. You know, those I have make. You know, humans. It's like you, humans. You think you are somebody when you're not. You know? It's the same of the heavens that you want to go to. That rapture there. Go with them, the demons up there. It's like somebody who keep asking me, open the sun. The sun is open. The sun won't shine if it's not open, you stupid Dillahara. You claim to be my bride of Christ, even make humans. That is a boastful what you do to yourselves when you are creating stories that you call your name. You are my true Dillahara. My true bride of Christ is the apostles, those who have received my body, Christ, Adam, Spirit, Anna, HaKodesh, Kodesh. You know, those who have spoken the conquering of the HaKodesh. You know? That you do is stealing word of my mouth. You preach the word of God. You do not give us a Sabbath rest for the people of God. You know? You don't give us a rest every time you preach the word of God, having no spirit within you. Because those who have my spirit before time, or those who were the archangels, they can preach. They don't blaspheme me. Why? Because they are me. You know? I knew there. I see right away who's talking about me. But when humans talking about me, from afar I looked at you. Naked. You know? That is what you do, naked. You have no spirit that preach about me. G-O-D, 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 G-O-D. So I'll throw you the dogs. Jaguars. As what the Mayan tribe hated, the jaguar. Because the jaguar eats them all. You know? That's what gonna happen to you also. Humans possessed of the name Bride of Christ, possessed by my name, Jesus Christ. You know? So humans, what's written in your Revelation 9:9 is that also a symbol of me and Chapnel 9:9. Revelation I am, 9 Father, 9 Cha, Mom and I. You know? You are the beast plates that runs the beast plates. See that humans, you play the drones. You are breastplates of iron yourself because you hold the main remote. You know, you hold the main remote. And then what is the another meaning of horses? You yourselves. You are the one running that drones. You know? And also humans, that is yourself the beast. You have no wings, you preach the word of God, and you are that sound. Running to battle every time you preach the word of God. As if you are in battle of something, you have no idea what you're battling with. You think just because you preach the word of God, you can be saved? Fuck off.